A training for demo purpose, video number 1, Actuary. So I'm acting as an actuary. The first thing I want to do is to go on the resilience engine. So it's insurance.agronomit.com. Once here, I will put my actuary username and password. I'm logging in and creating a product, a new product. For demo purpose, we'll focus on creating a new product. To do that, I need a valid site table. A site table is an Excel file with many parameters, certainly defined in column A listing all defined pixel. Pixel is a code name for an area of a satellite. Each pixel has a corresponding equivalent into the country administration code names. So level 1 country, 2 division, district, sub-district, union council. So it defines the location. Once I have a good site table, I can add a new product as an actuary. I'm defining a product name, product video demo number 2. Any description to be identified easily. I will then upload a file as a step 3. Actually, I should upload many files. The code files and the site table. For demo purpose, we'll focus on the site table, which has to be uploaded in the specific area. Not doing that will not succeed. The product will not be successfully created. So site table has to be put in the site table area. I will upload, identify a valid site table. I put the site table here. The system will tell, yes, we have this site table. Then we'll have certain fields. Most of them has to be filled. Some has already been filled. Now we tell the system, guess the data from the site table we imported. And you will see that some information will appear here. Voila. What are the information? The system was able to identify the location corresponding to the pixels, so we can check that, but also the hurdle. So those fields has been imported from the site table. For instance, we can check that. We have Mirzapur, Sugat, let's see, and hurdle 10%. Mirzapur, Sugat, those are all listed. So just these and not more. In addition, we have among the many information, we have the hurdle. Hurdle is correspond to 10%. And indeed, hurdle is it being already identified as 10%. Now, the system needs some help to identify the weather data source, because any site table may be slightly different from each other. So we have the system, we say, okay, it's data source that you should put here. And the system will immediately recognize that then it's chirps, because the data source is chirps. In addition, we have other fields, insurance info, that has mandatorily to be filled by the actuary. The actuary will say, okay, insurance margin is 10%, SFSA margin, let's say, is 9, aggregators, let's say it's 8, VAT is 15. Those are mandatory. If we fail to do that, the system will not be happy, will not let you go ahead. So we need also to add a cover. Let's call it vegetative excess and define a corresponding one. We can add more, but we'll stop here. We'll save it and we'll have this product. See, all the data are corresponding. 10, 10, 9, 8, 15. See, then the hurdle, insurance margin, we put all these data, vegetative excess, all these data corresponding. But the this has to be validated. It means that I need to push this to the marketplace. To do this, I can do that just as an actuary. If I'm not doing that, this product will not be visible to any salesman. Let's check that. So we have product video demo, but not product video demo 2, which has been validated. Let's go and pretend to be a salesman. As a salesman, I'm logging in, I'm finding product video demo, but not product video demo 2, because it's not available into the marketplace. So we log out, we log in again as an actuary, and as an actuary, we now push this to the marketplace. It will become yellow, it's going to be validated, now it's ready to be sold in the market. Let's see. We are logging out, we are logging in, pretending to be a salesman, a colleague from any part of the world. I connect as a salesman and I will find product video demo 2 listed with all equivalent information available. This and the video about resilience engine for demo purpose as an actuary.